Hey, welcome back to Joyce Michelle. I am her, Joyce Michelle. So this is a get ready with me featuring some new little pieces that I got from Shein finally. But I wanted to come to you all today because I pulled out a couple of things that I hadn't pulled out before, or not pulled out a couple of things that I've had in my stash that I hadn't played in for a while. So I started with the Juvia's Place, the Blushed Rose palette. So I use this pink, this darker pink, and this gold infused pink. And now I did, however, start off with the Warrior palette. Y'all, I am in love with Kano. Kano is my absolute transition color that fits my skin, that matches my skin tone. So I had to break out that first because this doesn't have a pink in it. And then I pulled out, let me see what else I pulled out. The Juvia's Place blush lighter. I think this is the blush lighter. Pink Lady Glow. And I used Juvia's Place Tutti Frutti to bring out the pink again in the lips. And I used the new Rare Me lip liner. And I mean, you can see the lip liner, but it's nude on my skin color nude, so it was great. I hadn't used my Sephora in a long time. The Sephora Best Skin Ever, and I'm in color 57Y. So I hadn't used that in a while. So then I also, now let me tell y'all, the Flawless, I figured out what was causing me to have that flawless under the eye look. Now, y'all know I bought Kosas. It's sitting back there. But before Kosas, I had purchased the Blur It from Sephora. Y'all, look, it's dirty right now. Y'all need to go get this Beautyblender's Power Puff, because this is what was making it. I mean, it's this. I like Kosas. Kosas melted. And before Kosas, this was my main thing. It was this that actually made it melt and gave that blurring effect up under the eye. It's this. I know it's dirty. That's because it's been used. I beg of you, if you want to take your makeup up to the next level, especially for setting under eye concealer, go get this Power Puff from Beautyblender. I know it's dirty. That's because it's been used. Let me see what else. I think those are all the oldies but goodies. I did however, go back again, and I used the Pink Lady Glow, but I also used, this is volume 4. So I used the hot pink on the cheeks, and I used the Juvia's Place bronzy, and I used the darker for more of a bronzy look up under here. So I broke out, y'all, my beauty room is actually tore up. It's tore up from the Shein haul. It's tore up from me switching clothes out. I gotta clean up a lot of mess and go clean. And go cook. So a couple of new pieces that you'll see in this get ready with me. So yeah, I had fun though. I had fun playing and everything. And so I hope y'all enjoy. Oh, and the hot pink on the eyes, the hot pink. Who knew? Who knew that I really like pink that much? You know, I'm really a fan of purple, but I was like, let me pull out the pink. And so it is. Y'all stay blessed and stay safe. Enjoy the video. Let me know what part of this video did you all like. I did take some things out. I didn't do the brows on camera. I didn't do the REFY on camera, because y'all watched that several times. So I be trying to play around with the get ready with me's a little bit. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Talk back to me down in the comments, and stay blessed and stay safe.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone and don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Wait up. Wait up. Why you texting? You still wanna lay up? Nope, no thanks. I ain't coming, don't wait up.